clean your C drive and make the computer faster. So if you're running out of space in your laptop and you do not have much remaining space, especially in C drive, then this tutorial is for you. The very first step is to open the File Explorer. Now here, once the File Explorer is open, go to this PC. Now once you're here, you will find your C drive where the Windows is installed. So you just need to do a double click and then you will find a Windows folder. Once you do a double click on that, you will have many folders here, and here we are looking for any option which says software distribution. Now this is the location where all Windows files get saved. Means whenever you try to update your Windows, the file gets stored right here. So if your computer is working absolutely fine, you can press Ctrl A and you can press Shift Delete. You can also, if you want to keep these files, you can simply copy it and do a cut and paste it to your external hard drive if you want to do so. Once this is done, close this window and do a right click again and just click on Run. Now this cleanup tutorial will work on Windows 11 and Windows 10 both. So if you have any confusion that whether it will work on Windows 11 or Windows 10, then it will work almost every version of Windows. Now once it is opened, type %temp %, and we need to click on OK, and you will find a lot of files here. These are all temporary junk files. You can press Ctrl A and you can press Shift Delete. Now the moment we press Shift Delete, it actually deletes those files permanently. So you can get rid of the junk permanently, and there would be some files which will not be getting deleted. So that is absolutely fine. You can simply do a check mark and you can skip them all. So I can see few files have remained, but that is absolutely fine. You don't need to delete more than. Once this is done, do a right click again and click on Run, and this time type only temp and just need to click on OK. Once you do that, this is another location where all of your junk files there. We need to press Ctrl A and press Shift Delete. Once you are done with this, close this window and now click on just do a right click again and click on Run, and this time type clean mgr and then click on OK. Now a disk cleanup utility will open, which is a very handy tool. You can use it all the time, every week, and you can select all the temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, temporary internet files, all the junks. You can simply check mark and click on OK. Now you can see, as it's already a clean computer, it doesn't have much junk here. So I can see I have only 29.8 MB, but in your case, it can be 29.8 GB or more than that. So you can get rid of all these chunks and you can make your computer faster, make your laptop faster. So this cleaning procedure might take some time. It might take some time, like 4 to 5 minutes to delete them all, but have patience and do it. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, which is also very effective. So what happens when we clean up the computer and still we don't have too much space? I mean, we want to free up the space more. Then what you can do is just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And at the left hand side, you will have many options, and we need to go to system. Now, once we are here in system, you will find the sixth option, storage space drives configuration rules. So we will click on that, and here you will find your app features, documents, temporary files, and many things. Now, over here, what you need to do is you just need to click on the storage sense, and you can run the storage sense, and it will automatically delete the junk files. So now we will go to cleanup recommendations, and here this is a very important tool, cleanup recommendations. You can uninstall unused apps. So if you see there are apps which you do not use and taking a lot of space in your computer, you can simply select it and you can click on cleanup, and this manner you can save a lot of space. This is also very easy to do it, and it's pretty fast. Now you can uninstall the unused apps, and there is one more effective thing here, large or unused files. So if you click on that, you will have many recommendations. You can have a look one by one and see which all files you need, which all files you want to move, or which can be deleted. Now in this manner, you can free up a lot of space, and definitely it will boost up your computer and it will make your laptop or desktop faster. So I hope you have enjoyed this Windows 10 and Windows 11 tutorial. If this tutorial has helped, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.